guys, so today we will be making a really cute and ruffly Easter wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need, a wreath ring, and this one is 14 inches. You will also need deco mesh, and I thought this multicolor one was so cute. I also have white, yellow, and pink in solid colors. I have chenille stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and then some cute extra decor. I have these really cute styrofoam eggs that actually stand alone. A really cute bunny. Some single colorful styrofoam eggs. And also some styrofoam eggs on sticks. Now I don't know which of these I'm going to use or if I will use any of them at all. But I just have them here just in case. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your deco mesh and cut it into 8-inch long pieces. And I'm going to do this with the multicolor pack and also a pack of the white, yellow, and pink. Alright, so I've cut 8-inch long pieces in the multicolor, the yellow, the white, and the pink. Now I'm going to start placing them on the wreath ring. So what I'm going to do, I have my wreath ring and I have chenille stems. So I'm going to cut the chenille stems in half. Alright, so I cut 12 chenille stems in half and now I have 24 pieces. What I'm going to do, 4 pieces in each of the 6 sections. So I'm just going to pick a section and I'm going to pull the chenille stem and twist it around the first inner ring. So I'm just going to fold it in half and twist it 2 times. I'm going to take another chenille stem and go to the second inner ring. Fold it in half and twist it a couple of times. 1 chenille stem here, 1 here. I'm going to put another one here. Fold it in half and twist it a couple of times. And 1 more on the second inner ring. And twist it a couple of times. So essentially this is what I'm wanting. I have first inner, second inner, first inner, second inner. Just like that. And the chenille stems, they do move a little, but you'll just be able to adjust them when you start placing the deco mesh. So I'm going to get all the chenille stems on the ring. So I've placed all of the chenille stems. Now it can look a little crazy and overwhelming, but all it is a chenille stem on the first inner ring, the second inner ring, the first inner ring, the second inner ring. And I'm just alternating in and out, and they're like kind of windowing each other. And that's just going on all the way around the ring. And the stems that are on the inner ring, I have facing inward, and the stems on the outer ring, I have facing outward. So inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, all the way around the ring. So 24 chenille stems, that's what I have. Alright, so I have a pink, white, multicolor, and yellow piece. I'm going to ruffle them together and then place them on my wreath. And so I'll have the pink first. So what I'm going to do is unroll it, kind of lie it flat. Just like this, but you don't want to do it this way because it's going to just curl up on you. I'm going to lie it flat this way. What I'm going to do is find the center of the deco mesh, like right here, and you're just going to kind of scrunch it up like that. Let me show you. So I have it flat. Here's my center, and I'm just scrunching it just like that. You want to try scrunching in the center so that it's even on both sides. Show you with the yellow. So again, hold it like that. And we could actually put this on top of it and just scrunch, scrunch, scrunch right in the center. And the most difficult part is going to be holding it together. And I have the white piece. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Placing it on top. You could place each piece on the ring as you scrunch it. Alright, and the last piece. Lie it flat and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Just like that. And you know what? I think I'm going to use 2 pieces of the multicolored deco mesh because it's so cute. So let's get one more piece on here. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Just like that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So I'm going to do 5 pieces on some of the stems and only 4 on others. So I'm going to alternate out the pink. But I think I want to keep the multicolor, the white, and the yellow on each section. Alright, so hold it nice and tight. Pick a chenille stem. I'm just going to start right here. I'm not going to untwist it because it will come off of the ring. So I'm just going to open it. Place it down. And then twist it closed. Just like that. I'll do another one. This time I will leave off the pink. So I'll need yellow, white, and 2 pieces of the multicolored. So again, you're just scrunch, scrunch, scrunching. Like that. Take your white. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Place it on top. Like that. And the multicolored pieces. You know what? You can scrunch more than one. Let me show you. So I have the multicolored pieces here. What I'm going to do is just scrunch both of them at once and place it right on top. Just like that. And then I'm going to go to the very next chenille stem. So this was the first inner ring, and this is going to be the second inner ring. I'm just going to place it down. And twist it a couple of times. And then slide it over. You'll see the more sections you do, the poofier and more full it's going to be. Then we'll start shaping it more once we get more in place. So that's 2 of them. I have 2 more for this section. So this is one section complete. Go ahead and tuck all the chenille stems. And then you can go ahead and kind of fluff it up a little bit, trying to hide the chenille stems. Alright, so I'm going to get a few more sections done. This is only one section right here. twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. And see, I'm just tucking it underneath the stem. So I'm just fluffing it all up, covering any chenille stems that may be showing, and it looks so cute and fluffy and ruffly and curly. So I used a total of 48 pieces of the striped deco mesh because I put 2 on each chenille stem, and 24 pieces of the white and 24 pieces of the yellow deco mesh, and only 12 pieces of the pink deco mesh. But that's because I did the pink in every other section. But if you want to have pink in every stem, then you can definitely do that. So that if that's the case, then you would need 24 pieces of yellow, 24 pieces of white, and 24 pieces of pink. And so 48 pieces of the striped deco mesh. So these Easter eggs look so cute, and they seem to go in perfectly with my color scheme. So since the stems are so long, yeah, I will probably break them in half. So this is what it looks like. I just broke it in half so that it's not as long. Okay, and I'm just going to pick a random place for it. Maybe over here. Just going to slide it in between. Just like that. So that looks so cute and adorable right there. I'm going to kind of see where I want to place the other ones before I put them all down. Be like that. I think that looks cute. So what I'm going to do is just break all of the stems. There's a nicer, neater way of breaking them, but I mean they're going to be tucked away, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so that looks pretty good to me. I used 6 eggs and I just alternated the colors around the wreath. And now what I'm just going to do is take a little bit of glue and just kind of add some security to it. So I'm going to glue it down to the chenille stem. Kind of just like that, lying it beside it. So wherever I have the egg, I'm just going to glue it to a chenille stem. So this is what it's looking like. So cute and adorable. So you can definitely finish up right here, or you can leave off the eggs if you prefer not to have them. So this is what it's looking like. So cute and sweet and adorable. Now another option, you could definitely take a cute little bunny and add it to the center. But you know what? I think this looks so cute. I'm going to leave off the bunny and just have my eggs. You could even add a sign to the center that says like Happy Easter or any cute little phrase. So again, if you want to have a different color scheme or add in extra touches, you could definitely do that. Just have fun with it. Do whatever you'd like. But I think this looks so cute and adorable. So I'm just going to leave it right here. Again, all items were purchased at the dollar store. So cute.